Hello, welcome back to our new episode.
Mhm.
Episode is this 49, 50,
49.
49, episode 49.
Yes.
Okay.
Welcome back, settlers. How have
S-
you been?
So by the time we have finished recording this is after Lebaran, is it?
Probably yes. Yes. So,
Okay. So
Eid Mubarak.
it late Eid Mubarak, yeah.
Late Eid Mubarak, guys. I hope you
Okay.
have a good time with your family and stay healthy. Yeah, because I heard that people are thinking about what's going to happen after Eid al-Fitr, whereby there's going to be more people who got infected with this COVID-19. So I hope it's not happening right now.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, after the holy month of Ramadan, today we are going to talk about something a little sinful, well, related to sin.
I
So
hope not, though.
we are going to talk about appearances. Do
Yeah.
you think it's vanity or human nature
Okay.
to
Yes.
care about your appearance? All right.
Yes.
So let's start with our folk of the week first, of course.
Mm-hmm.
And our folk of the week is in the title alone,
Mm-hmm.
vanity.
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 Yeah.
Vanity. So
Mm-hmm.
vanity can be both a noun and an adjective.
Mm-hmm.
They mean roughly the same. So vanity basically means when you are as an adjective,
Mm-hmm.
vanity means when you are too focused on your looks, on your fame, on your praises, basically about in a way narcissistic, but
Yeah.
that's entirely different, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This one refers to how you look
Yeah.
mentally and physically. For
Mm-hmm.
example, Kiki always talks about herself, how pretty she is, how confident she is. Her
Mm-hmm.
Instagram is a vanity account.
Oh dear Lord. Okay, well basically, in Indonesian language, vanity means it can be congkak or congkak is more like slang, yeah. But
Mm, I do,
kepedean, sombong.
I think it's quite different, yeah. Jongkok is more like arrogance, yeah. Jongkak.
Iya sih, iya
I
sih.
don't think there is a word for vanity. What does Google Translate say? What does Google Translate say?
Well, it
Let's
is
Google it real quick.
okay.
We are being very smart. Let me think.
Um,
I think. Oh well. Oh, keangkuhan. I guess
yeah,
that's okay. Keangkuhan, kesombongan.
Angku is
Yeah,
congkak, you know.
yeah. I guess so. Yeah, that's what
Ya,
Google
maybe
Translate says. But
keangkuhan. Keangkuhan. Mhm.
yeah, but I don't think it's more of arrogance. But okay.
Mhm.
Anyways, so that's
Okay,
vanity as an adjective, but
adjective.
as a noun, of course, is a person with this descriptions. Yeah. So for
Mhm.
example, Gio wants this job purely for reasons of vanity and ambition.
Hmm. Is that true, Gio?
Of course not.
I bet it's not.
So
Uh-huh.
so vanity definitely has a more negative connotation. Yeah, settlers.
Yes.
So
Yes,
keep that
that's
in
right.
mind. Okay.
Hmm.
So that's our book of the week, Vanity, Vanity. So
ITY.
Kiki,
Mm-hmm.
since we are talking about our appearances, what was your
Yes.
first impressions of me when we
I
first met the very
knew you would
first
ask
time?
me that. Okay, so I don't know. When did we first
When did we? I think the
meet?
first meeting we had, I remember this. I believe it was at a Starbucks in FX. We were meeting Sally. That was our
Um,
former boss.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
And
yeah, yeah. Mhm.
I don't know why we were there. I think we were talking about the project, yeah?
Hold on, Gio. I think I met you alone because
Alone?
remember, I think we are going to talk about podcasts. Was it?
No. No, way before podcast.
Really? How come I remember?
Yes.
I remembered you were alone. I remember exactly in my head, you were like with your laptop. You were talking
We were
about
no,
something.
we were talking about the online program. Remember about
Was
VIP
it?
online? Yes.
Oh, with Sally, was it?
I remember it was with Sally. I mean,
Or I think no.
no, it was just
No,
us.
no, no, it was just
Okay, well,
me. I
anyway,
remember.
that's beside the point.
I
What
remember
was
this. Yes, yes, yes.
what was your first impressions of
My
me?
first impression, you were like so techno, like so
Ooh.
IT. Someone who is a little introvert. Like you don't really like to socialize much because you play games and all that. You know that those kind of
Are
an
you
IT.
are you describing me, or was that your first impressions?
That was really my first impression. Yeah, honestly.
Okay,
Was
okay,
I right?
okay.
I think I'm right, yeah.
I
Mhm.
guess pretty much, yeah. That is why my
You're
social
so
media's
easy to
account is
guess.
so. Oh my gosh, I am so predictable. I'm
You're
predictable,
very
guys.
predictable. You
I'm
are.
predictable. Yep.
Mm-hmm. So what about you, Dio? What was your first impression of me?
I think my first impressions about you is, oh, she's quite fashionable. I mean, because
Are you kidding me?
there, I, yeah, there aren't that many people, Muslim women, with hijab and all
Oh,
that wears
okay.
it like you do, right? So I think, okay, she's
Mm-hmm.
fashionable. Another
Oh,
uh fashion Muslim woman I know is my doctor.
your doctor.
My doctor, she's quite fashionable with the way she wears hijab and all that.
Oh, wow. What a fashionable doctor. That's quite
Yeah.
rare. Mm-hmm.
That is why that was definitely my first impression. Oh,
I
she's
see.
just fashionable and she's
Mm-hmm.
bubbly,
Oh,
cheerful.
oh, thank
Yep.
you. That's so true. That's just, yeah, the way you describe it's just so me, isn't it?
Yeah, but now that I
Mhm.
learned about Kiki more, she's very
Dark.
yeah. She she's very vain.
Vanity situation.
She's vain, and
Okay.
anything related to Kiki is all about vanity. Yeah, definitely not. No,
Shut
no.
up, Gio. That's
She
so
may be
not
bubbly,
true.
but she's very vanity. Well, here's a fun fact, settlers.
Okay.
So 90% of people actually
Mhm.
form their opinions of someone in the first 90 seconds.
90 seconds.
That
Right.
is why first impressions matter.
True,
First
true.
impressions matter, especially if you go on a date. Ooh.
Love in the first sight? Love at the first sight? Yes?
Yes,
Mm.
definitely.
Mhm.
But also, if you're on a regular date, first impressions matter.
First impressions matter. Yeah, that's true, though. That's true. Have you ever been on a blind date, Gio?
No, I would be
No.
too nervous because I would be too disappointed, I guess. More than
Mm.
I'm more disappointed than nervous, really.
Because you already knew that you have too high expectation.
I think I have too high of a standard. So
Mm. It's hard to
yeah.
keep up with
So
Gio's
blind
taste, yeah?
dates. Yeah. That is why I'm still single right
Oh
now.
my God.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna show our settlers a slide with
Yes.
pictures.
Mm-hmm.
So would you please share the screen, Kiki? So for our
Of
settlers, no
course.
worry. For our settlers listening on Spotify, no worries. We are
Yes.
going to describe it for you.
Yep.
Okay. So
So
this
we
is
have
a
the first
man with an
person.
earring in one ear. So what's
Yeah.
your first impression of this, Kiki?
It's more like Usher.
Oh, right. Well, yeah, I guess it is a celebrity. So what's your first impression,
Okay.
though?
Well,
Generally speaking, a man
mhm.
with an earring.
A man with an earring. I think I would say my first impression is that the person is fashionable.
Mm.
Fashionable, yeah. Of course, looking at Usher here, I can't get rid of the fact that he's actually a performer. So of course, like a performer has to be fashionable, stay updated with style, I guess. So yeah, fashionable. I think that would be my first
Right.
impression.
So
What about you?
it's a fashion accessory. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely.
fashion
For me,
accessory.
it's something. normal as well because I have an
Because
earring
you do.
myself. But
Yeah.
yeah, I have always wanted to pierce my ear, and I finally did, right?
Mm-hmm,
And
mm-hmm.
yeah, I see it as something. Oh, it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
So
And
whenever I see a man with a ear pierce, I think
mhm.
it's he's very comfortable with who he
Who he
is,
is. Yeah, pretty
and
confident. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
he is fashionable. Yeah, definitely.
True, true. And I think nowadays, the Koreans are now giving like, I mean, they're becoming a trendsetter of
Yeah,
wearing like dangling earrings.
I have one of those.
Oh my God!
but
Why
I
do
rarely
you wear
but
that?
but I rarely wear it because I'm not as confident in public to wear them. Unless I go out with like close friends, then I'd wear it.
Ah,
But
I can imagine that in the, I mean, on our next meeting, you're gonna wear that.
oh,
Oh, you should.
just wait and see. But if I like go casually
Mhm.
go to the shopping mall, I just wear my regular earring like a black dot.
Right,
Okay,
right, right.
next picture.
Okay, next picture. Okay,
What's
so
going on
this
here?
is,
She looks regular.
well, there's something on her nose, which
Ah, okay.
is piercing, yeah? There's a piercing on someone's nose. Well, it's
Okay, a
not just a
woman
girl, I think,
with a nose piercing, yeah.
yeah. Men
Yeah,
can do that too, right?
right. But this
Mm,
is in this case we are talking about a woman specifically with the nose
yeah,
piercing.
yeah.
For me
Mm,
personally, it's yeah, well, it's like the earring. No,
yeah.
whatever.
Mm-hmm,
You want to
mm-hmm.
pierce your lips,
Yeah.
your your
Tongue
nose, your
to the
ear.
extreme
My
way.
tongue,
Oh my
the
God,
tongue
that's
is the one I'm a little.
very scary.
Why would you do that? Yeah,
Yeah, that's
I'm more
true.
concerned of the
The
health
health,
risk.
yes,
Yeah,
that's right. That's right. Because it's metal, right?
yeah. And
When
I
you
mean, a
mhm,
hole in your tongue, and what if
yeah,
like food gets stuck in there or
yeah,
whatever?
or get
Yeah, I'm more concerned
rusty, or
with the health risk.
that's true. Or
But
you might risk swallowing it.
you do you.
I know, right? Okay. Well, in my opinion, since of course I am married to an Indian man,
Ah, okay. Ah, yeah.
this is
Women there
yeah.
pierce their nose, yeah?
They pierce their nose as a fashion, not fashion, like a part of their culture, whereby they always put that earring or piercing on special events. So I have this one moment when my mother-in-law put a fake earring on my nose as well. So I didn't get pierced, but it's just something that you stick, you know. When I went to a wedding, Indian wedding back then.
Right. Okay. So yeah, it depending on culture as well, yeah. Okay.
Yes, that's right.
Next picture.
Next picture. Okay, so here
A
we
man
have
with a long,
thick
thick beard.
beard. That's
Yeah.
right.
Whenever I think this, I think
Mhm.
why don't you cut them? Why don't you shave them?
It's too
Even
ribet ya. Mhm,
even with apologies, but even with Muslims,
mhm.
uh like kiai, is that what they call them?
Kiai
Kiai,
or
yeah,
ustad,
as
ustad.
long
Mhm,
those religious figures they have long
mhm,
beards.
mhm.
I find that like at least make it
Not
look
too not
nice.
too long, yeah.
Yeah, at least make it look
Mhm,
nice. Like I don't know,
mhm,
you trim it a little bit. I mean, if you want it
mhm,
long because of religious reasons, that's fine. But make
mhm.
it look nice. Not
Right, right,
don't just let it grow, right?
right, right. Mhm. That's true. Well, I think this is also one of the fashion trend. I mean,
Mm.
it was a trend back then, right? I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
where people grow their beard
Mm.
as long as they can. But then, of course, people who are conscious about fashion and also, you know, being tidy, they would have a special treatment for that, right?
Yes, yep.
Yes, I know that there
The,
is a beard lotion,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Or
beard oil or something. Yeah, they
oil.
apply something to their beard
Mm-hmm,
and they actually
mm-hmm,
take care of it. They trim it.
mm-hmm.
Like this guy here in this photo particular, it
Yeah,
looks nice, right? It looks nice. It looks
yeah.
well taken care of.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So, in my opinion, I think, you know, it's not only referring to a certain religion, I suppose. I think that's also a part of someone's decision. Maybe they're bored shaving, so they just let it grow.
Yeah,
Mhm.
as long as if for me personally, if you don't trim it well, you don't take
Mm,
care of it, I think it looks, when it becomes messy is when I'm not
mm.
okay with it.
Right, but you don't mind.
Yeah,
Have you ever thought about letting,
I
I mean,
can't. I can't.
you don't have that long hair.
No. No. Okay, next picture.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Ooh.
Mhm.
So, well, this is like the best picture we can find, everyone. So this is
That's
actually a
true.
woman with heavy makeup.
Yeah, and I think this is like quite an old makeup. I mean,
Mhm.
I can see
You
from
mean
the eyebrow,
the style, yeah? You mean,
the
yeah?
style, the trend, I think. Yeah, because nowadays we are doing more like a natural kind of makeup.
Yeah.
Make no makeup style. Can you believe that?
So yeah, with heavy makeup we
Mhm.
mean here is something like menor, yeah? Is it menor?
Menor,
Menor in
yes,
bahasa
that's
Indonesia,
right.
yeah.
Mhm.
So whenever I see a woman with heavy makeup, I see that they're trying too hard
Mm,
to
true.
whatever they're trying. They're
Yeah,
just
yeah,
trying too
yeah.
hard.
Okay. In my opinion, when I see a girl having this kind of heavy makeup, I would think that this girl or this woman just came out of a special event, or
Mm.
she just she just did a shooting somewhere, you know.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Which reminds me that women in weddings,
Uh-huh.
especially the bride,
Uh-huh.
up close they wear very thick makeup,
Oh
and I
yeah.
never understood why until a friend told me it's because they will look better on camera. I was like,
Yes.
oh, okay, but I mean the entire night in front of other people you look like, what's wrong with your face?
Like
But
you're
in
wearing a
photos you look
mask,
good.
yeah? You're wearing a
Yeah.
mask. Yeah, I know, right? Well, that's what happened to me when I got married as well. Like it's like
Kiki's married.
triple, triple layer than usual, Gio.
Oh,
I even had like 2 or 3 eyelashes on my
really?
eye. Yes, literally,
Wow.
literally.
Okay. Next
Mhm.
picture.
Okay, what about this
Yeah,
one?
I have no opinion because I bite my fingers, I bite my nails myself.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I
yeah,
have no
yeah, yeah.
opinions. It's a bad habit. I find it's a bad habit,
Yes.
but and it makes my fingers and nails look horrible, and I
Oh
hate
my
them.
goodness, I don't want to see that. Hmm.
But I have stopped for a month. Hmm.
Yay! What did you do, Gio?
Oh, nothing. It's not for podcast.
Okay. So, in my opinion, I think it depends on the expression of the person. Like when you're not showing the face of being nervous and you're just
Mhm.
biting your nail, it means that you just want to shorten it, because sometimes I do that. If there's like an annoying nail that just pops out, and I just want to, bite it off, really. And if
Have you heard of the nail cutter?
well, I don't have it with me back then. I was
Okay,
out and
okay.
all. But then if
Look at me judging you when I bite my own nails like Gio.
exactly, I don't even do that much. hmm
Okay.
Okay, so but if I see this man, I think it shows that he looks a little nervous or
Yeah, in this
scared about
picture, I
something.
suppose. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Next.
anxious. Okay. Well.
Okay.
Someone with
So,
tattoos.
someone with tattoos, I find them
Mhm.
hot. I love
Oh,
people with tattoos. They're hot.
you
I
don't
have
find
tattoos.
them
I have
uh,
tattoos myself, so
true. You don't find them creative as well?
creative. No, not to be honest, not really. No. I
Ah,
just find them, I find it like it's a way to express yourself.
mm, mm-hmm,
Sometimes you'd be
mm-hmm.
surprised. There are people who tattoos even their faces.
Oh yeah,
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
that's true though. That's true.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And okay, so of course I think we're pretty used to it with this kind of
Yeah, I suppose.
trend, yeah, in the society. But personally, even though in my religion, of course, tattoo is haram, but
Yeah, yeah.
if it's not, I wouldn't get any, to be honest.
So what's your impression then of people with tattoo?
Um,
Yes.
I would
Okay.
I would appreciate. I mean, it's their decision, right? It's their
Yeah.
body, it's their decision. I'm not going to think about judging them that they're this and that. But again, it's their body, it's their decision. Do whatever they want with the body. So um, I honestly have a neutral opinion on this. I don't know what to
Yeah,
express
yeah, yeah.
because yeah.
Because yeah,
Yeah.
I can already imagine how some people, at least in Indonesia, how some
Mhm.
people might think that they are bad people, a
Yeah, but
bad
that's
boy or
old.
bad, not
Yeah.
bad boy, but bad
Oh,
boy.
like literally someone who just came out from jail, huh?
Yeah, something like that. But for me, it's like, no, it depends on the person.
Yeah.
You'd be
Mhm.
surprised how people with tattoos can be one of the nicest people.
Of course, yes.
Yeah.
Again, I don't look at whether they have tattoos or not. I honestly look at their behavior or the way they treat other people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what about the next one? What do we have?
Oh, this
Ooh.
man is
Maybe, yeah,
I'm
maybe this is like the,
speechless.
the
Yeah.
worst the worst picture we can find. Okay, so this is
Yeah,
actually
true.
someone who
Mhm.
wears a lot of jewelry. So in this
Yes.
person in particular is
Mm,
like too much.
too much. Too much.
Less is more, I would say.
True. And you know what? I honestly think when I see someone wears a lot of accessories like this, I mean jewelry,
Hmm?
I don't consider them rich. I don't know why.
Because of the bling, yeah, they're so shiny, like a diamond.
Yeah, yeah, but
No, no, okay.
I don't find them wealthy. I don't have that opinion in me. I just thought that it's too much. You could have just
Oh, you don't find them rich. You don't find them
rich,
wealthy.
wealthy. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I heard I find them rich.
No, I
No?
don't.
Oh,
No.
you don't. Okay, okay. I misheard
Mm-mm.
you. Okay.
Aha. Do you agree? I mean, or is it just me? Because I don't find
Mm,
this as a state of wealth. You know what I mean?
yeah, I personally don't what's the word I'm looking for? Don't don't associate
Ah,
that
yeah.
with wealth. No. I think it's
All
more of a
right.
fashion thing, but I think
Mm-hmm.
it's sometimes just too excessive. This
Too
guy is just too
excessive.
excessive, especially
That's
everything is
true.
in gold.
Yes, I know. Yeah. So it's a no-no for me.
Yeah, it's a no. But
Mm-mm.
okay, it may sound judgy right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I do, of course, I personally don't say anything to people like that. I mean,
Of
I
course, not to
always
their
hold the
faces, right?
principle. Yeah. Doesn't that make it sound more horrible? But I
Uh-huh.
always hold the principle that you do you, I do me.
Yeah, true, right?
I may have my opinions about you, but I usually keep them to myself.
Yeah, and maybe if I can describe about vanity, I think this person has a lot of vanity in him. Don't you
Yeah, I
agree?
guess so. I guess so.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm-mm.
yeah. Okay,
Mm-mm.
next
A
picture.
little too
Do we have
much, a
another
little too
picture?
hard. Okay.
Oh dear.
Okay.
So this
So,
one is
mhm,
someone who is very skinny.
skinny.
In
Yep.
this case, it is literally skin and bones.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
And
I would feel bad for this girl. I'm sure that she has something like an issue, mental issue in her that makes her looks this way.
yeah, I am
Mhm.
concerned, medically
Mhm.
concerned with
Yep.
her health.
Yep.
Yeah, it does not look appealing. Although
No.
maybe back in the, I don't know what year, 80s, 90s, where being
Mhm.
skinny is the trend. I can
Yeah.
see that
Mhm.
that is their beauty standard of the time, but
Mhm.
no, maybe not anymore, yeah?
Not too much, like not as skinny as this one.
Yeah,
And
right
and I
now
think
it's more of a fit
yeah,
body.
fit and even chubby. I mean, not chubby, but more like meaty. Meaty.
Meaty? What are you describing? Meaty?
How to
Yeah,
say that?
as long as you have a little weight in you, yeah?
Yes, yes. So we just have to accept our body the way it is. I mean,
Yeah.
of course, you gotta stay fit and try not to be too obsessive. I mean, too much of obese. I mean, obese.
Yeah.
Kegemukan juga is not healthy either.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, do you have more
So
pictures?
I think that's the last one.
it.
Yes.
Okay. So, which
Okay.
brings us to our next question.
Yeah.
Is our physical appearance vanity or human nature, Kiki?
I think since we as human, I think we are born with ego. I mean, we all have ego, right? So I think it can be in human nature. It can be. What do
Right.
you think?
I think we are born with maybe not a sense of beauty, but we do have this. We are naturally born with a sense of I want to look good.
Good. Want to be the best, right? Want to
Yes.
perfect.
Yes. So I think physical appearance, taking care of our physical appearance is more human nature to a degree. If it's over taking care of your physical appearance, I think that's vanity.
That's vanity, which is not a good thing.
Yep, definitely not.
It becomes too much. If it's too much, it becomes negative. So
yes,
I mean, if you actually able to control your what do you call your ego, your self, your self-esteem, and having enough confidence about yourself, I think you're gonna love yourself more and not trying too hard to look good in front of other people, you see, because being imperfect is also a part of perfection as a human, because that's just us, right?
You're so wise, especially with your background. It's like shining.
What?
Although that's like a side
dye. This is my aura.
Okay, let's do a little game now.
Yes. Okay.
So it's not exactly a game, but it's basically fun facts, truth or lie. Yeah, truth or lie.
Yeah, truth or lie.
So the first one, Kiki.
Yes.
In court cases dalam pengadilan, di dalam pengadilan, attractive people get lighter sentences. Dalam pengadilan, orang-orang yang lebih cakep dihukum lebih ringan.
Lebih ringan. I would say it's a lie. Oh, or maybe it depends. It depends on the court itself. If it's in Indonesia, maybe the celebrities will get a little a better treatment.
So actually, this is truth.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Wow.
So attractive people, they get lighter sentences. However, if they intentionally use their appearance to get their own to get their own ends, untuk mendapatkan hukuman yang lebih ringan or to get away with it, they actually will be severely punished.
Oh my goodness. So you can't show it too much, ya? Nggak boleh kelihatan.
If it's too obvious, kalau terlalu jelas, malah justru dihukum lebih berat.
That's crazy.
But if you don't use your looks, there is a very huge chance you will be punished more lightly.
Wow. What if the judge is a female and then the one?
This is the statistics worldwide.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's crazy.
Shocking. So go get your plastic surgery, guys.
Oh my God! You don't encourage them like that, Gio.
Okay, second point. This is another fun fact. Attractive people are seen as having better personality.
I think this is the truth.
Yes, this is also the truth as well.
Yay! Okay.
They are seen as having better personality. They have higher status, and they are happier. Although it's not always the case.
It's not always the case, but it's shown somehow.
That's how people see them.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. Next.
Beautiful girls rarely become scientists. So it's not
What?
impossible, but it's just rare. What do you think?
It's true. It's rarely, right?
Rarely, yes.
Yeah.
Jarang
Okay.
sekali, bukan
Yeah, I
berarti
think
tidak ada.
from the word rarely, I would say it's the truth.
Yes, it is true.
Hey.
They tend beautiful girls, quote unquote, because
Yeah, like the
beauties,
models. Yeah.
yeah, they usually go into medicine, law, or fashion or
Yeah.
languages.
Their
Language.
interest, yeah, their interest towards
Yeah, Kiki is in
those things.
languages. Is she pretty?
What? Of course I am, Gio. I have lots of vanity in me.
Vanity. There you go.
Oh my goodness. Yes. So,
Next,
do you have
last
another
one.
one? Okay.
Yes, last one. Women with beautiful bodies often have less self-confidence.
That is entirely a lie.
It is, I don't know. Wait, hold on. I need to cheat again. Women with beautiful bodies often have less self-confidence. That is the truth.
Really?
Yes, that is the truth. Because they worry too much about keeping their body
my
perfect.
Bad. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It is a truth. It is a truth. I mean, I thought it was having a high self-confidence. My bad.
Yeah, it's less self-confidence.
Yeah, I misheard you.
Yeah, they worry because I guess because they know they have the perfect body, so they worry so much. Oh no, am I getting fat or am I this? Am I that? So they actually have less self-confidence.
I actually watched a TED talk about this, and it was a model who was becoming the speaker, and she mentioned that models are the most insecure human being in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because their job is literally about their physical appearance.
That is true. So it's a total true. Yeah.
Yeah. I remember one model said, if someone said you look better in your photos, that's actually a compliment.
Oh, why so?
Because that's literally their job. They have to look good in their photos.
Okay.
If they look good in person, that means they're not doing a good job in their work.
What?
Do you get it?
I know.
Yeah.
Isn't it supposed to be the other way around? Because if they look good on photo, it can be edited, right?
Yeah. But what she's trying to say is that because it is your job, then you should look good in your photos.
You have to do a good job as a model.
Yeah, as a model. Yeah. So if someone says you look good, you look better in person, that means your photos look horrible.
Then you're not doing a good job.
You're not doing a good job, then don't be a model. Yeah.
Okay, I see what you mean. Okay.
Okay. So SETlers, what do you think? Do you think appearance, our physical appearance, is vanity or is it human nature?
Yep. Give us your comments, of course.
Yeah, on our Instagram at English Today, on our TikTok if you want to, or also on our YouTube channel, English Today Indonesia.
Yep,
all right.
So looking forward for your comments, guys, and I hope that you enjoy the show today.
Take care. Until next time.
Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.